Great Danes are the giants of the dog world. When standing on their hind legs, they're taller than many adults. They're often compared to giraffes of the dog world because of their height and their habit of stretching their long necks to explore their surroundings. What's funny is that their height gives them a bit of an unfair advantage at home. For instance, they can easily sneak food off the dining table or use their noses to open cabinets for snacks. These little tricks often leave their owners both amused and exasperated, but their size has its perks that they can help you grab things from high places or serve as a portable pillow. So, Great Danes are the tall pranksters who bring joy and surprises to your life in their own unique way.